Hi, I just got my new laptop and it won't turn on at all.
Hello? I'm sorry to hear that. Let's get this sorted quickly. Can you confirm if the power cable is firmly connected to both the laptop and the outlet?
Yes, I've checked twice. Everything seems connected properly.
Thanks for confirming. Have you tried holding the power button for at least 10 seconds?
Just tried it now. Still nothing. No lights, no sounds.
Okay, let's try a reset. Remove the battery if possible, then hold the power button for 15 seconds. Reconnect battery and power.
I don't see a removable battery. It's sealed.
Got it. In that case, please unplug the power cable, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and press power again.
All right, doing that now. Hey, it just turned on. You're a lifesaver.
Great news. Glad I could help. Let me know if you have any other issues.
Will do. Thanks for being so patient and helpful.